We'll start by downloading PTV VISSIM, so go ahead and type into Google PTV VISSIM student version. Hit the top link, scroll down, and start entering your details. First, you'll pick the trial version you want. That's PTV VISSIM, not VISSUM. Then you'll enter your university and your email address. And scroll down and hit submit. On the next page, you'll be given a link to the download. Hit that and let the program finish downloading. Once the download is complete in Chrome, you can go ahead and open the exe file for the setup. Hit yes. OK. I accept. I have read. Pick the location where you want to install it. Hit next. Go ahead and hit next again. Alright, that's all fine. Select install and let the trial version install itself. The installation takes some time, but once it's completed, you can go ahead and hit finish, and on your desktop you will have the link to the program.